If you're watching this, you probably already know why you need a tonneau cover. Protection from weather, better security, improved fuel economy, and let's be honest, they make your truck look way better. But with so many options out there, how do you choose the right one? That's exactly what we're covering today. I've narrowed it down to the top 5 tonneau covers specifically for the GMC Canyon, all available on Amazon with proven track records from real owners. Now let's get into it. Coming in at number 1 is the XTWEEX FRP Hard Trifold Tonneau Cover. What really sets this cover apart is the construction. We're talking fiberglass reinforced polymer with a honeycomb panel design. Translation, it's incredibly strong without being ridiculously heavy. I've seen owners stack gear on top of these without any issues, and it handles snow load like a champ if you're in colder climates. The trifold design is practical too. You can fold up one section for quick access to the front of your bed, 2 sections for more space, or fold it completely against the cab when you need the entire bed. Installation is straightforward. It's a clamp-on system, so no drilling into your truck. Most people get it installed in about 45 minutes to an hour. Now here's what people love about this one. The water resistance is genuinely impressive. During normal rain, you're looking at a virtually dry bed. The seals are tight, and the hard panels don't sag or bow like some cheaper covers. And the security factor is real. Someone can't just slice through this with a knife like they could with a soft cover. This cover typically runs in the mid-range price point, which is fantastic value considering you're getting premium materials and a fit that's tailored to the newer Canyon generation. Check the link in the description for current pricing. At number 2, we've got the YITAMOTOR Soft Roll-Up Tonneau Cover. What makes this one special is pure convenience. When you need your full bed, you just release the Velcro straps, roll it up towards the cab, and secure it. Takes literally 15 seconds. No folding panels, no removing sections, just roll and go. It fits 2015 all the way through 2025 Canyon models with the 5.2-foot bed, which is awesome if you're not driving the latest model. The vinyl construction is tougher than you'd think. It's marine-grade material that handles UV rays without fading or cracking. The sealed seams do a solid job keeping water out, though like any soft cover, you'll see some moisture after a heavy car wash or a serious downpour. For normal rain and daily use, though, your cargo stays dry. Installation, this is probably the easiest on this list. No drill clamp system, and most owners report getting it on their truck in under 30 minutes. Even if you're not particularly handy, you'll figure this out quickly. Now here's the reality check, though. Because it's a soft cover, security isn't its strongest suit. Someone determined with a knife could get through it. So if you're regularly leaving expensive equipment in your bed overnight in sketchy areas, you might want to consider one of the hard covers on this list. But for most people in normal situations, it's perfectly fine. The price point on this one is aggressive, typically coming in significantly lower than hard covers, while still offering solid performance. If you prioritize easy access and don't need Fort Knox security, this is a smart buy. Links in the description. Number 3, the Gator EFX SFX Hard Trifold Cover. What Canyon owners really appreciate about Gator is the consistency. The aluminum frame is beefy, the reinforced panels feel substantial, and the fit is dialed in. People are reporting 6 months, a year, even longer without any shifting or loosening of the clamps. That's the kind of reliability you want when you're spending good money on a truck accessory. The installation gets praised constantly. The instructions actually make sense, everything lines up where it should, and you're not fighting with misaligned parts. If you've ever installed truck accessories before, you know that's not always a given. The warranty support from Gator is better than a lot of the generic Amazon brands. If something goes wrong, you're actually dealing with a company that stands behind their product. The consideration here, price. Gator covers typically run around $269, which puts them solidly in the mid to upper range. You're paying for that brand reliability and better customer service. If you're watching every dollar, the YITAMOTOR might make more sense. But if you want something you install once and forget about for years, this is worth the extra investment. At number 4, we've got the BAKFlip MX4 Hard Folding Tonneau Cover. BAKFlip is one of those brands that serious truck owners know. The MX-4 features aluminum construction with a matte finish that looks factory installed, but the real innovation is in the 4-panel fold design. You can open 1 panel, 2 panels, 3 panels, or fold the entire thing against the cab. That flexibility is clutch if you're frequently hauling different size loads. The integrated drain system is smart engineering. Water doesn't pool on top, it channels away from your bed. The dual-action tailgate seal means you're getting weather protection that's genuinely next level. And here's something wild. This cover can support up to 400 pounds when it's closed. Snow load, ice, even standing on it for roof access, it handles it. Canyon AT4 owners especially love this one because it matches the rugged aesthetic of their trucks while providing functionality that keeps up with their lifestyle. Now here's what you need to know. This is the most expensive option on this list. We're talking premium pricing. It's available through various retailers, including Amazon, but you'll want to shop around for the best deal. The quality justifies the cost if you use your truck hard and want something bulletproof, but it's definitely an investment. If frequent partial bed access is important to you and you want top-tier weather protection, this is the one. Check the description for where to find the best current pricing. Rounding out your list at number 5 is the TruXedo Sentry CT hard roll-up cover. TruXedo has been making tonneau covers for years, and the Sentry CT represents their best work. What's unique here is that it's a hard, roll-in cover. You get the security and weather protection of a hard cover with the convenience of a roll-up design. That's a sweet spot that not many covers hit. The low-profile design sits flush with your bed rails. It's sleek, it's clean, and it doesn't look like an afterthought. The quick release system is tool-free, so if you need to remove the entire cover, you can do it in seconds without digging through your toolbox. The dual latch system at the tailgate provides solid security, and the adjustable tension control means you can keep it tight and rattle-free regardless of weather conditions. TruXedo backs this with a lifetime warranty, which tells you they're confident in what they've built. The one thing to consider: installation is a bit more involved than the soft roll-up options. It's not complicated, but plan for about an hour and maybe grab a buddy to help. Once it's on, though, you'll appreciate the quality every time you use it. The Sentry CT typically prices in the upper mid-range, but you're getting that TruXedo quality and lifetime warranty. If you want the best of both worlds, security and convenience, this deserves serious consideration. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more truck accessory reviews and real-world testing. I'll see you in the next one.